Alright, going to do a quick and dirty unboxing of the snow blower. Alrighty. And after that, we have two manuals. Going to guess for making pancakes. Tools. Shear pins and cotter pins. Spare screws. Plume diverter connection bolts. One snow chute, I am guessing. Disconnected piece. Oh, that's a lot. That would be the main blower. 2 packs of silica gel on it. And some treads. I'll pull them out one by one, putting them into this cart so I can easily haul it to my car. Alright. Seems to be either a bag of tools or some part. It's still not coming up. What are we stuck on? It's like it's almost glued to the bottom. Oh my, that is heavy. All right. Carefully. Place the snow blower down. Now, grief. All right. Greasy. Treads are zip tied for some reason. Inside is greased. So one tread, I bet this probably contains the other. There's nothing left in there. Tread number 2. Right, so object now is to get this to here, but it's too wide.